Hi guys, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. So today we will see how to repair Pioneer. Model number is AV receiver VSX-322 model. This is the model. So the problem in this AVR is when I am putting on, see it's getting on, but there is no sound. It's getting on, but there is no sound. See, I have already connected the back panel. Every speaker connection is there. Almost speaker connection is there. So, but there is no sound. See, I'm increasing. I have given the input also. See, I have given the input here, but still there is no sound. So we'll check how to repair this one. What's the issue in this? Just keep watching my video, so you'll know what is the issue in this AVR. So we'll remove the top cover. So wasting more time, just I already removed the side screws. We'll check it out. So now we'll put it on. Okay, so we'll put it on again. So we'll connect the power to this unit first. So we'll put it on. So it's on now. So we'll check the voltage over here. This is the thing. So here the output voltage is coming 5 volt over here. See, so input, this is the input voltage 11.9, and from this regulator 5 volt is coming. So this IC is getting hot also. This is the DSP IC, and this IC is converting analog signal into digital, digital into analog signal, this one. So this IC also getting very hot. So maybe this IC may be faulty. So I'm not getting the voltage over here also. See, there is no voltage coming out. Here input voltage supply is good. So maybe this IC is not producing digital to analog signal. So we'll try to replace this IC first. We'll try to replace this IC with the new one, and we'll check it out. So guys, we'll try to replace this IC. This is audio IC, small PCM1681 IC, this one. So we'll try to remove it out, this IC. Okay guys. So guys, we'll try to remove the IC. See, I remove. So we'll remove this IC. So we have to take out the IC. So now we'll replace with the new one, this IC. The function of this IC is the DSP signals coming from this DSP board, then it will convert audio into analog signal into digital audio signals. So we'll replace this IC. See, I have cleaned the area very clean like this. It should be like this. So now we'll fix the new IC on this one. So I have cleaned the area completely with the brush. See, should be like this. So guys, we'll remove the old IC. This is the old IC now. We have already desoldered this one. So now we'll put the new IC. This is the old IC. Now we'll put the new IC. This is the new IC. So we'll put the new IC now on this. So then we'll check it out. So we'll try to solder this one now on this. Okay guys. So we'll solder all these points slowly. So now we are soldering this all points slowly. So just check how to solder this one. Okay guys, see, I have some point. You have to solder it properly so that no pin should get shorted each other. See guys, it's okay. See how is the soldering? Perfect. So it should solder like that. So now we'll check it out one more time. See, it should be like this, perfect solder. So I changed this IC, my dear, this one. So now we'll put it on now and check. So see, it's good. So after changing this IC, it's okay guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching my video. Like it, share it. If you have any comments, please share it. Leave it on the comment box. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.